Alright, so Izzy's starting to enjoy flopping around, but she just did a new trick that we wanted to get. See if she'll stand up on the end again.
Oh, you gotta stand up first. Let's go. You gotta stand up first, Goober.
See if she'll look in the mirror. Izzy, look in the mirror!
She won't even stand up long.
There we go. Just careful. You're silly.
Oh, goodness gracious. Let's do it again. Come on.
Apparently she really loves it. We try to go tickle her when she starts swapping around. Hello. Let's see. I don't know where you picked those up.
Now we're going for the back dive.
Yeah. Maybe she's been watching the Olympics and they're diving off the blocks.
I don't know, but she looks like she could do this for hours.
You are silly. Careful. You don't want us to go flying off. What are you gonna do now? Mm. Oh, you're on the pillow. Are you gonna take a little nap? Not quite up enough. Hey, little goofball. Hmm?
Oh, that's a good one. Okay.
All right. Say bye-bye.
See you later, kidders.